Hello all, this is a continuation of the previous video. Within the previous video, if you see means we would have made some different videos for the Python basic functions. So in this video, it is a continuation of the previous video within which we have made some different explanations of different Python modules which is in Python. So in this video, we are going to have an explanation of PDB module in Python. So this PDB module is used to debug a program in Python. So for that, first we are importing the PDB module by using the import library. Then we are making a definition for the buggy function. So within that we are creating a variable like 10, next variable x, and for that we are initializing it to 10. Then we are creating a variable y, and that we are initializing it to 0. Then this line, particularly this line pdb.setTrace, is going to make the debugger function, make use of the debugger function pdb. So what this function does is, usually if we are dividing a number by 0 means there will be an error, but if we are not using this set.trace means the system will definitely raise an error. But while we are using this function or this line, what it will do means it will just pass the code, and we will have to execute the it will lead us to execute the code by it, and the error will be showed in that line itself, allow so that the error will not be displayed, error message will not be displayed in the output, but some different criteria will happen. So I will make an explanation with this line and without this line. So down if you see means this is the explanation of the code with this line. So pdb dot set trace, we are dividing x divided by y, that is 10 divided by 0, which will definitely raise an error, which is zero division error. But here it is also raising an error, if you notice means that is raising an error only, which is zero division error, division by 0. But if you are not using this line means we'll get another output. For that we'll make some demo. So then we are returning the result, and then we are calling this definition. So when we are running the code means first we have made, I will just run it. So this is what it will come like. This line has made to run the code like this. So first I'm getting the value of the x variable, then I'm getting the value of the y variable, which is 0. Then I'm getting x divided by 0. So it is causing zero division error. That is, since we are dividing by 0, it is causing division by error. So here it is causing result, since it is not defined, it is causing result, but we have made it. But since it is after this line, right? So it is like result is not defined, then I'm exiting it. So this is what the output which is we are getting with while using this debugger line. So now I'm just commenting this line. So after commenting, I'm just running this code. So if you notice means it is dropping an error. So this is what the difference between while we are using this set or trace and without using set or trace. So this is the description of PDB library or module. In the next video, we will work with some other library of or module with Python. Thank you.